Welcome to my channel Proper Watches. If you are looking for the best new Victorinox watches based on specifications, you are in the right place. I included all the link in video description below. Now, let's get started. Number 6. Victorinox Fieldforce. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel with an inlaid black ring showing tachymeter markings, dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 6 o'clock position. Chronograph 3 subdials displaying 60-second, 30-minute, and 12-hour. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Pull/push crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size 42 mm. Case thickness 12 mm. Band width 21 mm. Butterfly clasp. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions: chronograph, tachymeter, date, hour, minute, second. Number 5. Victorinox Swiss Army I.N.O.X. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. ETA caliber 2824 2 automatic movement. Power reserve of approximately 38 hours. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Transparent case back. Round case shape. Case size 43 mm. Case thickness 13.5 mm. Band width 21 mm. Fold-over clasp with a safety release. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second, slide rule. Highly durable and robust timepiece. Known for its exceptional strength and resilience. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army Night Vision. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 6 o'clock position. Locator light. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Case diameter 42 mm. Round case shape. Band width 21 mm. Band length 7.75 inches. Deployment clasp. Water resistant at 50 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Alpinist great piece, incredibly affordable. And just love this brand. Number 3. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Carbon Limited Edition. Neon yellow textile strap. Fixed bezel. Black dial with Arabic numeral, hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display between 4 and 5 o'clock position. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Round case shape. Case size 43 mm. Band width 21 mm. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. This particular model showcases a distinctive carbon fiber construction that adds a unique touch to the rugged and durable design of the I.N.O.X. collection. Number 2. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Professional Diver La. Gray titanium case with a gray rubber strap. Unidirectional rotating gray titanium bezel. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display between the 4 and 5 o'clock positions. Ronda caliber 715 quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size 45 mm. Case thickness 14.5 mm. Band width 22 mm. Tang clasp. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second, battery EL indicator. This timepiece combines the ruggedness and durability of the I.N.O.X. collection with the features and specifications required for diving in demanding underwater environments. Number 1. Victorinox Maverick Chronograph. Stainless steel case and bracelet. Unidirectional rotating black PVD bezel. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands. Date display at the 6 o'clock position. Chronograph 3 subdials displaying 60-second, 30-minute, and 12-hour. Ronda caliber 5030. D quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Round case shape. Case size 43 mm. Case thickness 12 mm. Bandwidth 22 mm. Fold-over clasp. Water-resistant at 100 meters. Functions: chronograph, date, hour, minute, small second. Designed to embody a sporty and adventurous spirit while maintaining a stylish and versatile appearance.